Hello, and welcome to Chucks and Chapstick. If it is your first time at Chucks and Chapstick, I ask that you do three things. Sit back, relax, and enjoy. And if you happen to like what it is that you see, go ahead and consider subscribing and hit that thumbs up button down below. For everyone else, welcome back to more unboxing shenanigans. They are headed your way. So this is a Stitch Fix box. Yes, I did Stitch Fix just a few weeks ago. The request was for comfy cozy, and my stylist knew me so well. My stylist does such a great job at learning who I am that he sent me three things that I actually already own. He wouldn't have known that I own those things because I purchased them outside of Stitch Fix. But I think it's a good indication that he kind of knows what my style is. But since that box was a bit of a dud, no fault of my stylist at all, so I decided to do round two of requesting comfy cozy for the fall winter months. So what we have is a redo. I do want to mention that this box is really big. Look how big this box is. I don't think that I've ever gotten a Stitch Fix this big, and I've gotten coats before, so I'm kind of curious to know what's inside of here. Let's dig in. There are two burritos, a baby burrito and a family-size grande burrito. So when I sent my style note, I asked for comfy cozy, but I said, hey, Jason, I don't really need any jeans. I own a lot of jeans. The only jeans that I really think I could benefit from is either an animal print jean or a boyfriend cut jean. My stylist, Jason, fantastic. Sometimes he can't get me exactly what I want, but it is always clear that he is reading my notes and that he is trying to meet my expectations. Every single time I get a box, I can tell that he is really like, this is what she needs, this is what she asked for, this is what she wants, not just throwing 5 pieces in a box just to be like, here's your stuff. I just appreciate Jason so much. So if you maybe aren't gelling with your stylist, maybe request Jason in Pittsburgh. I'm sure he will do you right. First thing is a plaid long cardigan. Here's a pullover hoodie with a Dolman bat wing sleeves. Pullover sweater with elbow patches. This is the one item that I did get a chance to see. Okay. I don't know who that is. All right, so here's my next item. It is a cow neck sweater, and if you can see that material, it's kind of fleecy, Sherpa-y. We'll see. So I decided to go with a monochromatic look for the blue hoodie. Have on a blue jacket, blue faux leather leggings, and blue Toms. So this is a really comfortable pullover Dolman sleeve. I mean, seriously, I didn't have a single complaint about how it felt, excuse me, how it fit. I do think I would have liked it a little more tapered or banded at the bottom, but overall it was super comfortable. Definitely fit the comfy cozy bill, as you can see here. So here are the boyfriend cut jeans that I asked for. So when I think about boyfriend cut, I think about kind of a loose boxy fit, and these just look like skinny jeans. And honestly, the bottoms of them, the way they're cut, they look like a mistake. They don't look like they're purposeful. So in a lot of ways, I just didn't like these. They were comfy. They did fit around the hips and the tummy very well, and I think that they, you know, would have been a comfortable pair of jeans, but the shape of them is just real unfortunate. They might look good on somebody else, but on me, it looked like an accident. So at least I got a chance to try them out, but this is a strong thumbs down. So I decided to kick it up quite a notch here with this plaid sweater. I've been really attracted to plaid here recently, so this was a major hit. So it's really comfortable. This is one of the softest sweater materials that I've gotten from Stitch Fix in recent memory, but I thought that this was great with the red, white, and blue, so it can go from fall into winter. I really thought that this was a great versatile sweater. And then we have this really plush, almost chenille pullover sweater with a cowl neck. And it does also have the little tie at the side. It's not really functional, more for decoration. The cowl neck was nice. The material was really soft, really felt good against the skin. So I really didn't have any complaints about this. I thought it was comfy, thought it was warm. You could put it with a pencil skirt or you could dress it down with jeans like I did here. But overall, I thought this was a fantastic sweater and I really didn't have a single complaint. That's recording. What's up? We can literally only see your hand. So I've been watching other unboxings and seeing people get pullover sweaters with elbow patches, and I wanted one so bad. So I finally got one. As you can see here in just a moment, this sweater is really way too big. It's at least a size, maybe even two too big. But the main thing is that it also had the elbow patches. Now what I learned about myself is that I actually always roll or push my sleeves up. I guess I realized it, but didn't all the way realize it. So I realized there's no point in actually having elbow patches because I'm always going to push my sleeves up. So again, you can see here that it's a bit too big. My stylist just tried to get me what I asked for. But overall, even though it was worth a try, I don't think elbow patch pullover sweaters are for me. So that was my Stitch Fix. What did you guys think about it? When I think of boyfriend jeans, I think of a very loose, baggy, straight leg, and those to me seem like just regular skinny jeans with a scissor hem. So I'm not really feeling it. I have enough skinny jeans. I'm trying to move into a different direction. And the pullover sweater, although it was a bit big, I did like the colors on it and I like the elbow patches, and I actually asked for elbow patches, but it was silly of me to ask for elbow patches because I pull my sleeves up all the time. I just do. It's a habit. I don't like stuff down around here. And so if I'm going to pull my sleeves up, what's the point of having elbow patches? But anyway, the other three tops I liked a lot, so I'll just have to decide which one, two, or if all three I'm going to purchase. But anyway, I'm going to go ahead and wrap it up. Thank you guys for stopping by. If you have any comments, suggestions, or you just want to say hello, you know to do it below. But otherwise, I will see you next time. Bye.